What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to disable sensitive content filter on X. In order to do this, you're going to go over to your X account, whether it's your mobile version or the desktop version. Locate your settings, and then you're going to scroll down to settings and privacy. Click on it, and then right here you have some options. Go ahead and click on privacy and safety, and then here you're going to click on content you see. So if you'd like to disable sensitive content filter on X, you'll need to click on the checkbox right here, which is called display media that may contain sensitive content. Now, because this is not selected, it will not display media that may contain sensitive content. So that means the filter is on. In order to disable the sensitive content filter, go ahead and click on the checkbox. This means you'll be telling X to display the media that may contain sensitive content. So with this done, you would have disabled sensitive content filter on X.